dear Paul. My jeans need to be repaired. Well, I'm not sure if they're all repairs, but mainly repairs. Is it on? All the orders going out from the sale? Lex, what are you doing?
We're actually putting all the sale, picking the second part of the sale. So
busy, busy, busy. Thought we'd start the year off with a strong sale. Are you picking?
I'm currently sorting and then we'll be picking, yeah.
Cool. We're going to come and watch you pick.
Are you?
Supermarket sweep type of picking.
How fast can I do it?
Yeah.
I get it wrong.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah?
Yeah? You okay?
Picking away. Claudio's getting all the patterns ready, are you?
Yeah, ready for the grey salvage.
The grey salvage. It arrived just before Christmas, in time for us to cut it. So we actually red dotted this launch, didn't we? So we were waiting for the orders for people to pick their fits and sizes. Is it a bit of a narrower row?
Narrow down normal salvage is about 4 inches narrower.
Okay.
Manage.
Yeah. The beautiful grey salvage. Rob, have there some repairs come in?
Yeah.
Some pretty repairs? What trolley of number 3? Should we take them over to Matt? We'll take them over, we'll have a look at the same time. Excuse me, repairs coming through. Oh. Let's have a look. 2012. These need a lot of repairing. Whoa, even the K label is starting to fray away. 33, 32. You can just see that they've been signed by Jean. So these are over 10 years old. But look at the fade. We've actually changed the branding on our buttons. So these are the old school buttons. But the fade around the fly. So these ones are going to need to be repaired. It's going to be a tough one. So the lining has gone on the pocket bag. So they're around there. And you can even see that they're starting to go here. But what we like is that they're clean. Very faded. Let's put these up. Organic. Men's organic. Super faded. So these will come back for another repair. On the knees, I'm assuming. So you can see it's already had a crotch repair. And the front. And now they've come back for another repair. Jeans made by Eileen, 32. So these must be really old because they don't have a name tag in them. So these must be about 10 years old. Look at the fade.